Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find radio stations on the MP3 downloader YouTube player application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device.
Those fake ads
That's
really
an
drive you
ad
mad,
that
huh?
we
The
can
game looks
skip.
so
And new, click to the radio button next to the offline section at the upper side of the screen, and here you can find different radio station and you can search and just select one and click that, and you can find musics. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.